Hi friends, this is Liz here, and this is part 2 of my Journalsay unboxing slash haul of goodies that I showed you in my last video. And if you have not seen that last video, I will link it below. I actually share a journal with me section where I am showing you how I'm using my composition notebook, and I've used some goodies in that video. So I've also divided the video into the items that I have received. The last video had stickers and some stamps, and this one starts with ephemera. And you can see here, these are just lovely ephemera pieces, sewing themed, beautiful cardstock pieces. It also comes with some pattern papers and some buttons and a little string, and I think it's just beautiful. If you're doing anything sewing related, I think this would be such an adorable addition to your projects. As I mentioned in my last video, I will link the items I am showing you in the video description, as well as a discount code that you can access if you are interested in purchasing anything I am showing you. So I picked a lot of these goodies because, of course, they have a vintage kind of theme to them, but I know it's things that I would use in my own projects. Like, look at these cardstock Polaroid frames. I think they're just perfect for any project. There's different sizes. Some of them have the centers cut out, and some of them still have the centers in them, which is still really a great idea. Depending if you're using this in a journal, you might actually want to write in there. And then it also comes with some little labels here, and even the packaging I think I would repurpose. So I'm really happy with these ones as well. The next set here is again vintage theme, and we've got some frames, and you can see all the different little goodies that this one comes with. Now, a lot of the times with their products, they sometimes have them in different colors as well. So you might find this set in a different kind of theme or style, but it's very similar design. So check those out if you are looking for something similar. Maybe a color that I'm showing you is not something that you would use, but the product might actually come in a different color that you might be interested in. These again are frames, and they look like a really, really lovely vintage tone as well. And like, what do we call these? It's not slides, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Obviously, you can see what they are. This one I'm super excited about, you guys, because again, it's like a cardstock ephemera, but there's such a huge variety of these gorgeous pieces. They do remind me of many products that are out there, but this one in particular I love because you can get it for a much different price point. And if you do check out Journalsay, they do have free shipping for orders over $29 US. There's different discount codes going on, different sales going on. So keep an eye out on that as well. And you can see what a gorgeous variety of goodies these are. Totally. I should have gotten more, and I think maybe in my next haul I'll probably pick the entire set, because I think this was just one of the many sets in this theme. The next ones are these cute, tiny little journals, and they kind of look like the little traveler's notebooks, but super adorable. So they're keychains. And I'll certainly be figuring out how I'm going to use these. I have seen some people do a little bit of like creative journaling in these, as well as a little bit of a collage. So I might do that. And I did get some stickers. If you haven't seen that video, again, I will link it below, that I think would be perfect in these little keychain journals. All right, so the next one here is these gorgeous, they look like labels. And it's like embroidery that has been put onto these. So you can see what I'm talking about here. So they look like they are embroidered little cardstock pieces. And the design is super adorable. And again, I think this could go with just about any project. I have selected goodies that are somewhat neutral. Look how nice that looks, like the color of the flowers and everything. I think it's just a gorgeous design. Now these ones come in different designs as well, and some different colors. So if you click on those links, you'll see what I mean as well. I didn't put anything about pricing because the prices are often changing, usually lower than, when you get them the first time around. You can buy them in sets. So like for this particular one, this is set number 2 from the same collection. And I think there's 5 or 6 different ones. So if you wanted to purchase the entire set, it's a bit of a discount. And if not, you can get them individually as well, like I did here, because I just wanted to check out what they look like. And truly, I am loving these right now. The next thing I got were these markers, and these are double-sided. So one side you have these little circle designs, and then the other side has some shapes, which I think is perfect if you are, a planner that you want to kind of check things off. Again, you can use these in journals or just about anything. So this one here is supposed to be the heart. Now I'm not pressing it properly, so it's not fully coming out like a heart, but they work perfectly. And you can see the different designs. This one has a little cloud on one side, the heart that I showed you. This one has a little moon, a little flower, and then just you can see the star, and then I think it's a 4-leaf clover, that one as well. And then lastly, I'm just going to show you some of the washi tape / stickers that I picked up. And again, such a variety. Some of them come in sets, some of them are just individual. And then they also come in different designs and themes. So this one you can see has a lot of shininess to it. I think it's like a silver shine to that one. And then these ones here have a little bit more of like, I think silver as well. I don't think these ones have gold. So this one has a little bit of a silver design you can see there. And then the other one I think is the same. It's a silver design on the different like kind of constellation looking washi tapes. So this one is a set of 4, and you'll see the different designs here. Super adorable with the little kitty and the little puppies, and it looks like different types of patchy patterns, which is really adorable. I just love how tiny some of these are. So if you are doing something in a planner, or you're just needing to fill a little space, these are perfect. But also I think these would look great in my tiny little journal that I just showed you. These would be perfect to, add to one of those pages, or to fill the little journal with the different designs. So you can see they come in different colors, and there's also different images in each of these little sets of PET tape. This one has some alphabets and some numbers. And you can see, again, the different patterns, kind of like birthday themed with the candle there. So super adorable, and the little cake. So this would be nice if you're doing maybe a greeting card. And then the last one in the set is this cute little one with all the different little flowers and just different little designs on it as well. So I think this is such a cute little set. This one I wanted to just put the image. At the time I got it, that would have been the price possibly, or maybe it is now. And this I got, of course, because of the holidays, Christmas coming up, winter. I thought it would be perfect to have something that I could add maybe to a journal entry. And then this set of 6, I believe, is all about stars and that sort of design. They come in the gold and the silver and a little bit of the white here. You can see just how beautiful they are. And I like that you can, again, get them individually. So you could just get one if you wanted, or you could get the whole set like I did here. And I think once I'm done showing you these, this is it, you guys. Check out the other video that I have as well, where I show you many of the sticker collections that I got, as well as some of the stamps that I'll definitely be using. One of them was my absolute favorite, and I actually got to use that in my journal entry. If you have not seen the video, like I said, I will link it below, and hopefully you'll enjoy seeing some of the goodies I'm showing you. I love haul and unboxing videos. It's kind of like my window shopping, and I hope you are feeling the same. So thank you for joining me. Links and discount codes will be in the video description, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.